so I'm in here cooking dinner. We got instant rice, chicken breasts, corn, beans, baked potatoes. I tell you what, I always put my butter on my baked potatoes like that and put them in the microwave. Just some potatoes out of the bag, Idaho potatoes. Put a little well in there. You can see I sliced it a bit so like butter and salt and pepper would get into it. Chicken breast, Tyson chicken. Over here I got some instant rice. I tell you what, it's doesn't say anything about it, but I tell you what, you should crack an egg into the instant rice. It tastes a lot better that way. Or you could add some Worcestershire sauce. You know, Worcestershire sauce up here. I'll tell you what, you want to give your rice a little kick, put some of that stuff in it. It doesn't say it, but yeah, that's what you should do. Yeah, I'll tell you what. Very important there. Alright, so let's get cooking. Yeah, I got everything just ready to go in the microwave. Put 2 bowls in there at once. You can probably go like this, put that in there. In case it splashes. Very simple. Yeah, it also helps to have a big dog to eat the crumbs you drop. Hi, dog. I'll tell you what, for all you lazy people out there, you should like rinse your bottles before you put them in the recycling bin. Helps to have a nice, organized cleaning pantry. Oh yeah, I'll tell you what, we're organized there. Everything you'd ever need to maintain anything. I tell you, we're a little obsessed with cleanliness here. Like I said, very important for later. Yeah. Oh yeah. Everything you'd ever need here. Look at that. I'll tell you what, more skill than you could ever imagine. Alright, so here's my chicken, beans, rice, corn, and baked potatoes. All cooked and ready to eat. Glass of milk. Hi, Dover, or should I say Big D? See the dog. Pet the dog. Hi, how's the dog? I see the dog. I petted the dog.